When you open Zoom on your computer, you'll see this little window. You can either choose to join the meeting straight away or to sign in first. I recommend you to do the last. Press Sign In and choose to either sign up with an email address and password or to sign in with Google or Facebook. I'll sign in with my Google account. And now just follow the steps that are needed to give Zoom access to your Google or Facebook account. Before we enter the meeting, let's look at some settings. Click on the little gear on the upper right. This will open the Preferences window. You will only need the Audio and the Video tab for now. In the Audio tab, you can select and test your speakers and microphone. With the sliders, you can adjust the volume. Below, there are a few important options. The first is automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. If you usually need translation during meetings and listen to it through a different channel than Zoom, you can leave this unchecked. If you don't need translation, you can check it for your convenience. The second is very, very important. Always mute microphone when joining the meeting. Check this so you won't disturb the others with any background noise when entering a meeting. Really, open microphones are one of the most annoying and disturbing things during our Zoom meetings. Recently, Zoom added a new way to unmute yourself temporarily, and you can activate it here. Press and hold the space key to temporarily unmute yourself. It's very handy. In the Video tab, you can select your camera and set some other preferences. And the most important one is this one. Turn off my video when joining a meeting. I highly recommend you to check this option to avoid awkward or embarrassing situations. Also, check the Spotlight Video option so that others don't have to search who's talking in our often so crowded meetings. The rest you can choose for yourself. I do not recommend the mirror effect, since sometimes we'll write things down and hold it up, and as you can see, you won't be able to read it. That's it. With these settings, you're ready to join our first meeting.